How to sync Google Calendar with iPhone Calendar. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then, scroll down until you find and tap on Calendar. On the Calendar settings screen, tap the first option Calendar Accounts. This page lists the accounts already connected to the calendar. Then tap on Add Account. From the list of available account providers, select Google. A Google sign-in window will pop up. Now, enter your email and password to continue. If you don't have a Google account, tap on Create Account. After that, to complete the sync, sign into your Google account and ensure that the Calendars option is enabled on the final sync confirmation screen. Following these steps, you can easily sync Google Calendar with iPhone Calendar on an iPhone.